Today we are going to make double donut chart. Here I have a data, item and margin. There's a two line data. One is item line, other one is a margin. Here I'm going to make donut chart. First I want to do select the data, then go to insert, and then double donut chart, and you can see the chart here. I will make it bigger and then select the donut chart area in the this donut chart, and then select Control C, copy, and then Control V, paste it. See how now you got a two round shape chart here. Now we are going to add more things in this chart. First, I am going to make this hole smaller. Then what I do, first select full table, full chart, donut chart table, and select right click. Then yeah, I'm going to select this one, select full chart, then right click, go to data series, go to data series option, select full data chart, then right click, format data series. Then format data series, I am going to make donut hole size smaller. Here, from here, I can change it to smaller size. I will make it to 50. Yeah, I will make it to 40. See, now chart become a smaller size hole. That more visible this area. Now the next step, I'm going to add label. Then select outline area. Then right click, add data label. See, now out area you can get added the out series of data. And then next stage, I'm going to add inside also. Then right click, add data label. See now both data label are equal. Now, but I want to make it this item line in the inside series. I want to make it item number A item here, number B item here in inside. What I want to do is the next step, select the series, and then I'm going to select the series, and you can see format later label, the chart type icon. You can see label option. From the label option, I'm going to select value from cell, select that value from cell. Then it is asking data label, which range we are going to select the data label. I'm going to select from item number 1 to 7 and then click OK. See, now change this one, but still there are other line items also there. That option I am removing other item to visible. This make chart is visible more clear. I'm removing value and show letter lines. Then this chart become a more visualized. Then this donut chart table, I'm going to make it a little bigger. I will make it bigger, and then I'm going to make it color colors, lighter color in inside cycle. Then select this one. Each one by one I can select it. Select the inside table. Right click, fill the color, and then select light item. Select this one inside, and then select lighter color. Then select this one, make it light color. Now charts looks like more attractive. Now I will make it this chart in and also more using 3D formats. What I do next is I'm selecting this outer line, and then from here effect I can select the effect, then go to 3D format, then go to 3D format. 3D format is here, and then from here we can select different shapes. Here I'm going to select round one. So it looks like this, and this again I select this inside round donut chart, and then select this, and then okay. So see, looks like chart looks like become more attractive. Then I'm going to add color in chart area. What I want to do is select the outline area. Click this, and see it automatically select outline area, and then right click, then fill the color. When you go to fill the color, I will fill this ash color. And then one more thing I will do here is that I will add the border also. I will select the border. I can make border from here, chart option, and then go down. And here you can select the color. I will make it solid line, and then I will make it color into black. Yeah, okay. Now then you can also select this option dash type. I'll make it that to here. Okay. Now, now it is your donut chart. This looks like here. Chart, I will make it item sales margin. Item sales margin. And I want to make it this legend into right hand side. From once I selected this legend area, it is appearing where I want to put that into legend in the table in the chart area. Now here it is opted its bottom area. I will put that into right. Okay. Now in like this chart, you can make it two donut chart. If you have data, looks it's like percentage, whatever the data, if you want to see in the one chart, two types of two type of data in the here. I'm reflecting the item item number A, 25% sales margin we have from the item number 2 B2 36 margin I have. In this we have item number C margin we have 34. Looks like that. If you're going to make any presentation or sales or finance or whatever, anything, you can use this